students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about some questions based on straight lines basic. As we have discussed in our previous lectures, what is how to find out the angle between two lines, whether the two lines are parallel, whether the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so that we have discussed in our previous lectures. So now let's discuss some questions based on that. So first I am writing the question here, students. So student, here is the question in which we are given that the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and a slope of one line is also given as half, and we need to find out the slope of other line. So how we will proceed for these type of questions is, as we know, the formula to find out the angle between two lines is m1 minus m2, or you can say m2 minus m1, because it will not make any impact because of modulus here. And as we are given m1 is equal to half, m2 we need to find out, and theta is pi by 4. Okay, so it is tan pi by 4 equals m2 minus half upon 1 plus m2 by 2. Okay, so student, tan pi by 4 is 1. Now it is, let's say, m2 minus half upon 1 plus m2. So when the mode will open, there will be positive or negative sign. So it can be plus 1 equal m2 minus half upon 1 plus m2, or minus 1 equals m2 minus half upon 1 plus m2. Okay, m2 by 2, sorry. So this was m2 by 2, this was m2 by 2, and this is m2 by 2. Okay, so after solving these two equations, we are getting m2 is equal to 3 or m2 equal minus 1 by 3. So student, in this way you can find out the slope of another line. Okay, so there are two lines possible having angle pi by 4 with the line having slope half. Okay, now I hope that you are pretty clear about this question. Now let's discuss another question, students. So student, here is the second question in which we are given 3 points P, Q and R having coordinates h, k, h1, y1 and h2, y2 respectively. Okay, and we need to show that h minus h1 into y2 minus y1 is equals to k minus y1 upon into h2 minus h1. So how we will proceed for these type of question is that we are given P, Q, R lie on a line. Okay, so let's say these are 3 points P, Q, R. So if they point are lie on a line, so the slope of PQ should be equals to slope of QR if 3 points are lying on a line. So I am writing the condition. This is slope of QR. Okay, so now to find out the slope of PQ is h1 minus h y1 minus k upon x1 minus h is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so cross multiplying this, what we will get is okay, multiplying with minus 1 on both sides, we get the result that we want to prove. Here is y2 minus y1 into h minus h. So this is what we want to prove, students. Okay, so these are the type of questions which might come into exam, and you need to be very specific while solving the questions, like how to proceed for these type of questions in which we need to equate the slope of the 2 points. Okay, so now I hope that you guys are pretty clear about questions based on slope of a line, angle between two lines, whether the lines are parallel, whether they are perpendicular. Okay. And in the next lecture, student, we will discuss different type of or various forms of equation of a line. So stay tuned for various forms of equation of a line. Thank you. Happy learning.